Hello, orchestra students. We're talking about tuning today. There are two ways to tune. Well, really, there's more than two ways to tune, but two things that help us to tune. We have our pegs up top, and then we have our fine tuners. So when you're really out of tune, like a lot, you're going to use your pegs to get you close, and then to get us closer, even closer and more. That's why they call them fine tuners. We're going to use our fine tuners. So you go to the right to get sharper. You go to the left to get uh, more flat. And that's what we do when we're out of tune. And so you can always use a tuner on your app, and you would just see, if it's going to the right, the arrow, you're sharp. And if it's going to the left of the center line, that means you're flat. So you're trying to get right in that center line. And so uh, don't try and tune on your own because you could actually end up snapping a string. Um, and if it feels like the string, the tension is real tight, that's when you want to get an adult to really help you. But I'll give you an example. So this is G, right? Now if I loosen this a little bit, it's going to be out of tune. Really low, right? So I got in tune, but if I needed to be more in tune, I could use this, tighten it up. That made it sharper, or loosen it up.